got Penrhyncoch away on Saturday. Last year we had 2 wins against them, I think, but they were quite close games.
Yeah, it's going to be a tough weekend. We know that when we go away to Penrhyncoch, they always give us a good game and have a good togetherness. That provides a challenge for us. But it's about what we do and making sure that we're right for the game and making sure that our game plan comes off. We scored 4 goals on Saturday, so we're looking to go and win the game.
How's training been this week?
Sharp, really pleased with the intensity. We worked on a few things that are going to lead us into Saturday's game, so it's important that they come off when we work on them over the weekend, like we did last week. We worked on a few things in particular for Holyhead, and luckily enough they came off. So it's important to give that lads the detail they need to win the game.
We've had some promising look at Danny Warren this week. He's back within the squad and working with the ball again.
Yeah, he's joined in tonight with the ball, so that's really positive for him. So I think it's just a question now of seeing if there's any reaction, and then get him match fit so he can start his season. So that's always positive to have a quality player like Danny return.
Okay, thank you.